Yeah, I'm still sick, but this is what I got going. Got the in fitting, the one that goes into that one. It plugs right in to the filter. And this is going to be a self-tapper into the frame. And this is the original factory fuel line hose that I basically just took a grinder and grinded off that lip that's there along with that compression fitting and just basically popped it off. And that's what I usually use. It's better than anything aftermarket because it's, the factory stuff usually seals pretty good. It's got the dual O-rings in there and it seals right back the way it should. So yeah, that's my fuel line set up. The Cutlass has one going in and one coming out, or should I say, yeah. So I'm not worried about it. I'm not worried about it. Having any issues with it. I just have to make sure. I think this is my in.